Wahoo Docks is committed to providing the highest quality docks backed with unmatched innovation and customization. All docks are exclusively sold through a nationwide network of dealers consisting of the most talented dock professionals in the industry. Utilizing Wahoo's proprietary software, dealers are able to generate quotes in live time with an interactive 3D preview of the quoted dock. Once an order has been placed, the job is assigned to an in-house designer who will contact the dealer to discuss any customizations and intricacies about the dock before drafting shop drawings. With all docks being fabricated in a controlled environment, each job begins with the cutting of custom extruded materials unique only to Wahoo Docks. Beams and braces are then mocked up on a leveled pegboard to ensure quality fitment during fabrication. Each dock is then disassembled and inspected by quality control. Sign-off sheets ensure that strict manufacturing standards are adhered to. In preparation for shipping, the dock frames are cleaned and foam core polyurethane floats are through-bolted to the frames. Roof posts are prepped with noise-eliminating bushings. Decking and sheet metal are cut to length and palletized. Custom railing and accessories are made to order and powder-coated. And stainless steel connection hardware is packaged to provide dealers with everything they need for a seamless installation. Wahoo also manufactures the aluminum gangways. Constructed on a jig, these gangways utilize their own patented designs and custom extrusions to minimize noise, increase longevity, and provide multiple shore and dock connection options to suit every need. Wahoo docks are shipped across the continent, where the exclusive network of trained dealers then take responsibility for assembly. The installation process is made easy for the dealer, with everything having been mocked up during fabrication and pre-cut to specified lengths. Once assembled, the dock is then transported to the customer, where it will be anchored in place and enjoyed for generations to come.